purifier. Visit iqair.com/US or call 888-409-6202. That's iqair.com/US or call 888-409-6202. Help protect your loved ones and get the healthy indoor air that you deserve today.
KCBS News Time 7:28. Let's head back to your local Honda dealer's traffic center to check the roads as you're heading out the door with Kim Wonderly. It looks like they're running that traffic break we heard about. This is on westbound 580 at Highway 13 and divide, so CHP is running a traffic break to clear it. Traffic is slow from Keller, not stop and go, just a little heavy here. Also, we have a problem with that San Mateo Bridge. Last time we were talking about slow traffic that I'd spotted on the bridge westbound about mid-span. Apparently there's a stalled boat trailer, and thanks to the KCBS phone force, we did hear from Dave, who gave us a call. Shoulder, but it's giving folks something to look at, so that's why the slow traffic's there. Santa Cruz Mountain. This was on southbound 17 as you come out toward Redwood Estates. It looks like traffic is now